Stop struggling with English subtitles while watching K-dramas. Today, we will learn 3 essential expressions from popular Korean dramas. First, let's learn how Koreans express surprise or shock. When something unbelievable happens, Koreans say,
진짜야?
진짜야, means, is it real? Or seriously? Try repeating after me.
진짜야?
Excellent, let's move on to the second expression. Have you ever heard characters say they miss someone in K-dramas? They say,
보고 싶어.
보고 싶어 means I miss you. Notice that Koreans usually drop the pronoun I in daily conversations. Repeat after me.
보고 싶어.
Now, let's look at the final expression used during emotional conflicts. When a character is frustrated with someone, they say,
왜 그래?
왜 그래? Translates to what's wrong with you, or why are you acting like this? It is a very common phrase you will hear in almost every K-drama argument scene. Let's practice it together.
왜 그래?
Today we learn 3 powerful phrases.
진짜야. 보고 싶어? 왜 그래?
Use these phrases next time you watch your favorite Korean drama without subtitles. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.